Hello everyone, this is Lealo here guys. Welcome back again to my channel. In this video guys, you can see here on how I bake Plaice Scholle Gebackene in German. So enjoy watching guys. First, I defrost my fish and put some salt and pepper.
Then you need milk. So 1 egg. So I have here guys flour, so meal in German. Milk with egg, so milk mit Eier und Brüssel. So, ich zeige Ihnen guys. Und einfach das mischen. So, mix the milk with egg. Flour, so milk with egg, and semmelbrösel, so breadcrumbs.
Then I have here a pot with oil, so I will deep fry my scholle. So preheat your oil.
This time guys, I will show you on how to put the fish with breadcrumbs. So first flour, then the mixture from milk and egg, then with the breadcrumbs. So it looks like this guys. And do it one at a time.
$2,000 later.
At this time guys, I already coated the fish with the breadcrumbs, so I will show you guys on how I do it, and I deep fry it. The fish is already done and now is ready to serve. Guten Appetit! Mahlzeit in German. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment there, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you'll be updated on my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye, bye, bye. I love you all. Mwah.